guys, and welcome to my channel today. This is Mark the Tech Guy, bringing you a product review today. And the product I'm going to review was sent to me by Matt from V12Spotlight.com. And I'd like to thank him for sending this out for full review. And I'm going to go ahead and unbox this for you guys. So, this is the packaging it came in. And so I went ahead and already cut it open, so I'd have to fight and struggle with it. So let's see what this is. Now this is the Spotlight rechargeable LED light. It's the rescue one. And it just says, please find enclosed the compact Spotlight rescue for your review. And it just shows you a few different things that you can purchase for this. I'm just going to put that aside. And also there's a bunch of stickers here. There's a bunch of stickers here that, he sent out. Of just all these different, the Spotlight in different stickers. And this is so this is all the different colors they have that you can choose from. Now if you go to the website, it's 12vspotlight.com, and you can pick any color that you like. You can see all the colors that are right there. So I'm going to put that aside. And I'm going to pull out the box that it came in. So here we go. This is the Spotlight rescue light. So it's the rechargeable LED light for your vehicle. Charges in most 12-volt power outlets. So there it is. You can see on the back. Right? It comes with a keychain with a neck lanyard. Convenient solution for keeping your Spotlight on you. So I'm going to go ahead and open the box now. Put the box aside. Okay, now here's the light. Now it's pretty tiny. You can see how tiny that is. Now, there's the end that goes into your cigarette lighter. So you just plug it into your cigarette lighter and the light will actually go red. So that means it's charging, and when it turns green, it means it's done charging. Now, they say that one charge will last 60 minutes. So, let me turn it on. Now, I'm not going to shine it directly into the camera, but you guys can almost see how bright that is. Like, look at that. That's pretty bright. Now, there's a function so that you can go into emergency mode for the strobe that flashes. So there, you can see it flashing. And, if there was ever, you're riding your bike, you can put this on the front of your bike. They even have a mount. If you go to the website, there's all these different accessories you can get for the lights. And just right off the hop, I can feel it's got a nice grip on it. It's got, most flashlights, they got that little textured grip on there. Well, this has the same thing. And it's a really light flashlight. It looks like the glass really reflects the light very well. Like you see when I have it on there, it was pretty bright. That's pretty bright. Just look at that. That's kind of creepy there. But yeah, I'm gonna give this light a full review. I'm gonna try it out for a week and see how it performs, because I work at the airport, and You know, I use flashlights all the time to see in and around the aircraft, and I think this is going to come in very handy. So I'm going to give it a try, and I'm going to try it out. Now, this also comes with a lanyard. So this is your neck strap. I'm going to go ahead and take the elastic band off. Now, as you can see, it's a pretty big neck strap. So it's got a nice little rubber tip with the chain. So what you do is, when you're not using it, after you're done charging it, you can put it into the little rubber socket that's there, and you can hang it around your neck, and it's not going anywhere. Even to get it off, you really gotta, you know, pry it off. But and you know, they thought of everything when they built this light, because they realized that not all cigarette lighters are the same, the adapters. So what they did was, there's a smooth surface for if it does fit, and if it doesn't, because there's got to be that contact that hits the smooth surface. If there's not a contact, then it's not going to charge. So they've also included in the kit a little adapter. Now you can see that it's a little round circular adapter. So how you put it on is, you just click it on, and then you wait for the little click, and then it's in place. So what you do is, you drop it down into your cigarette lighter, and that is supposed to make contact, and then the light goes red, and then when it's done, it goes green. So I think this is going to be a very handy light to have. If you want to know any more information about it, the website will be in the link below. It's 12vspotlight.com, and look for another review in the future. In the next week or so, I'm going to put together another review on how it performs. So this has been Mark the Tech Guy today, with a gadget review of the V12 Spotlight Rescue Light that has a lithium-ion battery that plugs into your cigarette lighter in your car, saying, thanks for watching, please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Where do you